and welcome to the Designjet Z series video training modules. In our first module, we'll be reviewing the components of the printer. We'll take you through an overview from the front and the rear of the device. In subsequent modules, we'll be going into many of these components in greater detail. This is the Designjet Z2100. If you own a Z3100 or a Z3200, the system, the printer will look exactly the same. There will be some differences, and we'll explain those as we go along. Let's start here in the front of the printer, moving from left to right. This is the left side ink cartridge area. You see two cartridges here. If you have a Z3100 or a Z3200, there will be 4 additional cartridges on this side for a total of 12. Up here is the paper adjustment lever that may be used during the paper loading process. Here is the front panel, which we will go into in greater detail in a subsequent module. Here are the printer's print heads. These are what lay ink down on the paper. You see there's 4 print heads. If you have a Z3100 or a Z3200, you will have 2 additional print heads for a total of 6. This is the paper feed path where the paper exits the printer. This is the printer's catch basket where prints will drop into when they're completed. It's the left side print cartridge area. See there's 6 cartridges here, 2 on the left side on the Z2100 for a total of 8, 6 on that left side on a Z3100 or Z3200 for a total of 12. Moving now to the rear of the printer, and regardless of which model you have, Z2100, Z3100 or Z3200, everything will be the same in the back. Here on the top in the rear is a little slot for holding your user guide. Here's the serial number tag. There may be times when you will be asked for the serial number of your printer. You'll find it here on the tag. This is the paper roll and spindle. We do feed paper from the rear of the printer. This is a manual paper feed tray. It pops down for feeding individual sheets, usually of semi-rigid material. Here on the right-hand side is the area where your network or direct connectivity will take place. We have a network cable plugged in. There's also a USB slot. There's also a spare slot to add an optional HP JetDirect networking card. Here at the bottom right is the power cord connector and the hard power on-off switch.